Hey, so we're starting Unit 7. Unit 7 has to do with circles and area composite figures. So the main idea we're going to focus on right now is circles. And we're going to find circumference and area circles. But to be able to do that, we need to know some vocab. So the vocab we're going to learn is radius is the first word. Radius is a line segment with one endpoint in the middle of the circle to the other endpoint of the edge of the circle. So what it means is that you take the edge and you go to the middle. And that's your radius. Now going off of that is the diameter. Diameter is a line segment that passes through the center of the circle whose endpoints like on the opposite edges. So it goes from one edge to the other one. And that's your diameter. So just a word of advice, the diameter, which is a longer word, would be the longer line. So if I give you the diameter, to find the diameter, if I give you the radius, you just do 2 times the radius. So if the radius was 5, the diameter would be 10. Okay, let's try it again. We'll try it another way. So the radius is half the diameter. So you do diameter but divide by 2. So if you give the diameter is 20, the radius would be 10, would be half of that. So that's radius and diameter. So another word we're going to learn about is circumference. Circumference is the distance around the circle. Okay, and then pi. Pi is a ratio of the circle's circumference divided by its diameter. What they figured out was that they got pi, which is 3.14, every time they took the circumference of a circle and divided by its diameter. So now we're not going to do circumference today, nor area. The main thing we're going to focus on is radius and diameter. So here's an example. Example 1. So I have 13. 13 is the diameter because 13 goes all the way across. It's a longer line, so it goes with a longer word. So you need to find the radius. So I know that to find radius, you have to do diameter divided by 2. So you're going to do 2 into 13, which is 6.5. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, so this is 3, but it's only halfway, so it's a shorter one. So that's 3. So the diameter would be double that. So you do diameter is equal to 2 times r, which would be 2 times 3, which is 6. All right, last one. So then the 20 is a longer line, so 20 would be the diameter. So then the radius would be diameter divided by 2, which would be 20 divided by 2, which is 10. And that's how you find the radius and diameter. Thank you, guys.